Oh, yan ka na naman. Nakangiti ka na namang mag-isa diyan. Meron talagang mga taong magaling mag-manipulate ng feelings ng ibang tao, no? Do you wonder why paano nila ginagawa yun? So, how do manipulators get you obsessed with them? Eto yan. At first, magiging super consistent yan sila. They will tend to notice every single small thing or details about you, especially your likes. Every moment, they will make it so memorable, like they're planting seeds in your brain. Magiging komportable ka sa company nila kasi sobrang saya eh. They will give you all the attention to a point na akala mo sobrang kilalang kilala mo na sila. Tipong sobrang tagal niyo nang magkasama. Yung soulmate ba? Soulmate. And if you're the type of person who encountered emotional trauma in the past, resentment, inconsistencies, zero values, lack of validation, lack of attention, so they will make you feel like, eto na yun. Eto na yung big break ko. They'll run that for a few months, probably a month or two. And then, magdi-distance yan sila ng kaunti. Yung kaunti lang, yung hindi naman masyadong noticeable na malaki talaga. Pero just enough for you to know na, uy, parang may nag-iba. Yung dating instant reply sa messages, medyo may certain delay na. Yung dating everyday texting, uy, every other day na lang. So na yun, kasi hindi ka sanay doon, mag-worry ka. Kaunti lang din. Pero if you're the type that gets attached easily, then it's a big worry for you. So na yun, naiisip mo na sila. Kahit naman ayaw mo, parang pumapasok yung idea na, uy, bakit kaya may nagbago ng kaunti? Yeah? Am I hearing it right so far? And then, in that perfect moment, papasok ulit na naman sila. Yung presence nila, mararamdaman mo na naman. mag invite ng coffee date, then you get to talk, they'll make you feel again that you're special, that this day is special. So nawala na naman ulit yung worry mo because you were given dopamine high. Tapos, after a few days, magpo-pull back na naman ulit yan. Medyo dry na ng konti, yung approach, yung mga reply, paiikot-ikutin ka lang sa ganitong sistema, this type of loop where you're hooked. So you're thrown into that perfect formula of connection, confusion, distance, reassurance, connection again, and so on and so forth, because they know that the only way to hook you in is to give you uncertainty. Because if it's unpredictable, you get curious and you get attached. Because of all of these things, you don't even know if you really like the person, but you are still attached because you are now living in a world of what ifs and almost. Oh, yan ka na naman. Nakangiti ka na namang mag-isa dyan. Meron talaga mga taong magaling mag-manipulate ng feelings ng ibang tao, no? Do you wonder why paano nila ginagawa yun? So, how do manipulators get you obsessed with them? Eto yan. At first, magiging super consistent yan sila. They will tend to notice every single small thing or details about you, especially your likes.